Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to your favorite channel, where we help you navigate the crazy world of gadgets and gizmos. Today, we've got a showdown of epic proportions. In the left corner, we have the iRobot Roomba J7, the cleaner that promises to be smarter than your ex. And in the right corner, the eufy X8 Pro, the vacuum that's so powerful, it might just suck up your soul. So sit tight, grab some popcorn, and let's dive into this robotic rumble. First up, let's talk about the price. Roomba J7 comes in at a cool $599 USD, whereas the eufy X8 Pro is a bit more bougie at $649 USD. That's right, folks, the eufy X8 Pro costs more, but does it deliver more bang for your buck? Roomba J7 is like that reliable friend who always picks up the check at dinner. eufy X8 Pro, on the other hand, is like that friend who insists on splitting the bill to the cent. So who's worth your hard-earned cash? Now, let's talk about cleaning capabilities. The Roomba J7 promises to clean when and where you want, with Imprint Smart Mapping. It's like having a GPS for your vacuum. It can store multiple maps and even has customizable keep-out zones. Reviewers love its advanced mapping and obstacle recognition features. On the other hand, the eufy X8 Pro boasts a Tangle-Free Roller Brush. No more manually detangling hair from the brush, folks. It's like having a vacuum with a built-in hairdresser. Plus, its twin-turbine suction is so powerful, it could probably suck the hair off your dog. Just kidding, don't try that at home. Users have praised its strong suction and thorough cleaning. Next, let's talk about hands-free cleaning. The Roomba J7 can be set to automatically clean when you're away. Imagine coming home to a spotless house without lifting a finger. It's like having a magical cleaning fairy. Meanwhile, the eufy X8 Pro takes it up a notch with 45 days of hands-free cleaning. Its dustbin empties itself into a 2.5L station. That's right, it only needs replacing every 45 days. It's like having a vacuum that's also a part-time butler. Reviewers appreciate the convenience of the eufy's self-emptying feature. Alright, let's move on to navigation. The Roomba J7 has a full suite of advanced sensors to navigate under and around furniture and along edges. It's like having a vacuum that's part ninja, dodging obstacles with ease. Cliff Detect keeps it from taking a nosedive down the stairs, which is a plus unless you're into vacuum bungee jumping. Reviewers have noted its efficiency in avoiding obstacles. But eufy X8 Pro isn't out of the race yet. Its iPath laser navigation creates precise maps of your home, avoiding obstacles and unlocking a wider range of areas to clean. It's like having a vacuum with a PhD in geography. Plus, with customizable AI.Map 2.0, you can set no-go zones and virtual boundaries. It's like giving your vacuum a restraining order. Stay away from my Lego collection. Users find its navigation precise and effective. According to online reviews, the iRobot Roomba J7 is highly praised for its advanced mapping and obstacle recognition features. Users appreciate its ability to avoid getting stuck and its effective cleaning performance on hardwood floors and low-pile rugs. On the other hand, the eufy X8 Pro receives compliments for its strong suction power and thorough cleaning capabilities. Users also appreciate its easy setup and user-friendly app. However, there are some concerns about the battery life of the eufy X8 Pro. So, who takes the crown in this robotic rumble? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. If you want a reliable, smart, and slightly cheaper option, the Roomba J7 is your go-to. But if you're willing to splurge a bit more for powerful suction and longer hands-free cleaning, the eufy X8 Pro might just be your new best friend. There you have it, folks. The Roomba J7 and the Eufy X8 Pro, two robotic vacuums that are ready to clean up your life. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our latest comparisons. Until next time, remember to buy smart and vacuum smarter. Product links are in the description.